Hi, this video is about how I created a YouTube thumbnail to the video about how to create a thumbnail. I decided to make another video about creating a thumbnail for YouTube. Let's see how it turned out. Step 1. Evaluating thumbnails on other YouTube channels. First, I'm sure what the thumbnail for a video will be, and I'll also discuss how to create a thumbnail for another video. Open the Canva program in Incognito YouTube. In the YouTube search box, I type something like, "How to create a thumbnail in Canva," and see what kind of thumbnail the program offers for the videos. Everywhere, you can see the face of the presenter, the narrator. But my channel is so called without a face, that is, on the thumbnail. I have nothing to put, and I do not want to use another person's face. Step 2. Thumbnail style. I think this thumbnail on how to make a thumbnail will consist of elements and without people's faces. But which one will I choose? After looking at the samples, I decided to use the bright colors of the thumbnail elements on a contrasting dark background. Okay, the style is clear. But what will I put on the image? Okay, without a doubt, the first will be the Canva image. Second is the text. Third, yes, because I like to have 3 elements on the thumbnail. What will it be? The third one would be some kind of symbol, maybe a YouTube thumbnail. I'm making a completely simple and uncluttered thumbnail, with the main focus on the applied program and the inscription. That's it, the decision is made. Now, let's get to creating this YouTube video. Step 3. Selecting elements for the thumbnail. I open a new project, choose the project format YouTube thumbnail, and name the file. Now, I will put all this thumbnail's elements on the project's first page. I choose the Canva image. I select the YouTube thumbnail image. Now I decide what text will be on this thumbnail, and I insert the text into the project page. Canva thumbnail design. Why such a simple caption? Because there aren't a lot of words, it's easy to spot and read quickly. This video is not super specialized in any way to give a lot of text to it. I enlarged the text and chose the font I thought was most appropriate for this page. For this, I will try different fonts and see how they look on the project page. The program, right on the left, tells me which fonts might work, but I don't always choose them. After looking at the samples, I decided to use the bright colors of the thumbnail elements on a contrasting dark background. Step 4. Outline effect for thumbnail elements. For contrast, and to match the image style of the YouTube element, I add an outline effect to the text and choose its thickness and color. Now I see that the Canva image doesn't have a contrasting outline, like the text in YouTube thumbnail image. I look for a suitable effect, but don't find it quickly. So I decided to do the outline another way. Before I do this, I zoom out the page, position the page elements better, and estimate how thick I want the outline to be for the image. At the same time, I see that the text is too small and hard to read. I enlarge the text and compose the other elements around it again. Once again, I adjust the thickness of the dark text outline. During this time, I figure out how to make the image outline. I take a circle shape and place it behind the Canva image, filling the shape with black. Again, I place its elements better. I carefully combine the elements of the black circle shape and the Canva image to form a dark outline that contrasts the image. I enlarged the project page and carefully set the image outline. Yes, this work takes time and requires care, and so sometimes it is necessary to reduce and enlarge the project page better to see the boundaries of elements and their outlines. Finally, I get an image outline like the YouTube thumbnail image. Again, I check that the outline of the font and images are similar in thickness and color. Then again, having reduced the page, I evaluate the whole thumbnail image. That's it, our simple and hopefully eye-catching YouTube thumbnail is ready. Step 5. Uploading the file. Now upload a JPEG file and use it to upload to the corresponding YouTube video. Good luck with your projects!